Daily Math Review number 1. The table shows how much a frozen yogurt shop charges for its yogurt. So here's the cost, or here's the size of the cup, small, medium, large. Here's the cost of the cup. Here's the cost per topping. All right, now, Manny buys a small yogurt with X toppings. Nadia buys a medium yogurt with X toppings. We're going to write an expression to evaluate how much they each spend on their yogurt cups. All right, so what we're going to do here is first of all, we're going to get some room to write our expressions here. All righty, so first off, Manny. It says Manny buys a small cup of yogurt with X amount of toppings. So small cup with X amount of toppings. We don't know how many toppings. So small cup, X amount of toppings, that would be times the 20 cents. So if we get Manny, he gets $1.85. He gets the small cup. Plus he gets the toppings. It's $0.20 for each topping, for X amount of toppings. So if he gets 2 toppings, then it'd be 40 cents more. If he gets 3 toppings, it'd be 60 cents more, and so on and so on. Now let's take a look at Nadia. So Nadia buys a medium yogurt with X toppings. So medium yogurt with X toppings. So her medium size yogurt is $2.30. Plus her toppings are 25 cents for each different type of topping that she wants. So these are going to be our expressions here. So if Manny gets 6 toppings and Nadia gets 3 toppings, did they spend the same amount of money on their cups? All right, so first off, for Manny, we're going to take a look and let's get some clear work here. For Manny, he has $1.85 plus, well, it says he gets 6 toppings, so it'd be 20 cents times that 6 toppings. So instead of 20 times X, it's 20 times the 6. So when we do that, first what we have to do is the 20 times 6. So the 20 cents, so 0.20 times 6, you get $1.20. So that'd be $1.85 plus $1.20. So plus $1.85. He spent $3.05. And then when we take, so that's for Manny. Let's take a look at Nadia. She gets 3 toppings. So hers is $2.30 plus 25 cents times her 3 toppings. So if we do 25 cents times 3, that's 75 cents. And we're going to add her $2.30. So $2.30 plus 75 cents. And you get $3.05. Whoa, look at that. Do they spend the same amount? $3.05, $3.05. Yes, they do. They spent the same amount. Pretty cool, pretty cool. That's going to be it for our DMR. Great job.